FEM this year has been excellent. It has been really promoting the industry well, and it's great to see the students here. It's great to see all parts of the business get together, from producers to explorers and also all the contractors and suppliers here all in one place. There are other conferences around Europe and elsewhere in the world, but this is the best one to understand the Nordic region.
The cooperation between different countries in this region has a long history. We have a culture of cooperation, and I think that is perhaps the most important thing that has made Scandinavian mining industry to the front edge on the world, both regarding mining but also regarding mining technology, mining equipment.
In the Nordic countries, there are several universities where there is education and research in mining and metallurgy area, geology exploration. And this is very important that we have skillful people here who can take forward this industry and keep also these technology companies in international level.
I would say that the major thing, it's about needs of industry. We are educating students, but sometimes we are not really aware about their needs. So what kind of expertise and skills industry really expect from our students? And I think that it's a great input which we can then build in our curriculum and will help us to tailor better our educational program.
Exploration is really additional money often in the exploration world, so if the prices in the future look good, there's often lots of exploration done. But the great thing at the moment is Finland is being recognised as such a good place to explore.
The Geological Survey of Finland has compiled one of the largest and best databases in the world for geophysical and geochemical and geological data. And that's available at a very reasonable cost to anybody who comes here and works.
In Finland, we have world-class ore bodies that can be utilized in commercial mining operations. But there are other things on top of that, for example, rather stable legislation and in general the framework and infrastructure which is good for mining.
So it's easier to get in, access to the lands, access to the resources, and also to be able to work with the communities because the infrastructure is already there. So conferences like this help us get into these areas like the remote parts of the northern part of the Nordic countries, and that helps grow the business here.
The main challenges at the moment are related to the tone of the public discussion. Especially in Finland, I have to admit that we start sometime from a bit negative angle when we talk about mining industry. This is definitely something we got to change over time, and it takes efforts from all of us that are involved in the mining business. Sustainability, environmental protection, those are the key things we got to focus on also in the future.
I think it's important also in Norway and as in Sweden and Finland, we have strong environmental standards. So what we can bring to the table globally actually is a high awareness of sustainability, and this is important to the whole world.
We are among the best or the best in the world, but we have to take another step. We have to be fossil free, we have to be carbon neutral. We have to be extremely energy and climate efficient in this industry.
Norway is world leading in industry minerals. I believe it's important for the whole country that we get to use the Norwegian mineral resources, and also part of the oil knowledge is relevant for mining.
Metals like lithium, cobalt, and the rare earth elements are a topic in this industry today, and in fact, the Nordic countries have some potentially important deposits of those minerals.
I'm expecting that mining industry will see good times now, and metals are needed. Electrification of cars make the lithium demand higher. So I think what we're going to see next maybe 5-10 years will be very good time for mining. And we can see it here. It's 1,200 people here around, and this is the record, so it's going good.
The general feeling and atmosphere is very positive at the moment. Someone said that it's more positive than ever, and it's of course very positive sign in general. I believe that we will see a lot of successful mining activities in the coming years in Finland.